Hey guys, and welcome to my final video of this series. So we're going to be doing lips. So I'm going to be using these two products here. We're kind of going to go for a neutrally pink sort of a color. So basically with a natural eye look, you can do practically any lip color. Even a neutral would look good on the lips. So I'm going to be doing sort of like a natural pink look, and I'm going to be using a lip liner and also a liquid lip. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. These are awesome because they dry down and don't budge. Like, they're awesome. And then this is the Contour Cosmetics, and this is number 3 Stud, and this is a lip liner. How you can do lip liners, you just want to match it somewhat to the lipstick. Usually lip liners are good if they're a tiny bit darker because they give the illusion of having fuller lips. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the lip liner and first starting with my Cupid's bow here, and you're going to kind of outline that. We're going to make this X shape here. But we have like that X shape. We're going to line the top lip. So that's the top lip lined. You might be wondering why I use a lip liner. You don't have to use it. It just makes the lines look a lot cleaner and make it look a lot less messy. With a red lipstick, I really recommend doing it because red lipsticks are not forgivable, and they're very hard to remove too. So nudes are a little easier, but alright, so now I'm gonna do the bottom lip, and I'm gonna kind of go underneath, like under. If that makes any sense. And that's going to make that illusion that your lips are a little bigger. Alright, now I'm going to just fill it in a little bit so that when I put on the liquid lip, the colors blend a little bit better. Alright, so now that I have it all outlined, I'm going to go in with my liquid lip. So my biggest tip with this is make sure you kind of get off some of the excess. And actually, we're going to first swatch this. See if this is even a color we want on our lips. So I think this may be a little too purpley. I'm going to go get a more neutral one. This isn't more neutral, but it's pretty. I'm just going to see if I like this one better. So there's a little more neutrally, and it's kind of got some shimmer in it. So I'm gonna actually use this one. It's also the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lip, and this is in the color Nudo Shimmer. So we're going to just apply this, and you just want to get a little bit on the brush or this doe foot applicator here, and just start on the bottom lip. And then I'm gonna move on to the top. Anyways guys, that's pretty much how I do my lips. The finishing touch though, we're gonna go with a setting spray. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and we're just gonna do some spritzes? I don't know. We're just gonna spritz our face a little bit. Kind of wanna like do this X, this T shape, and kind of just like 5 to 10 sprays, and yeah. And then we're just gonna fan our face a little bit. If there's any big spots that you got wet, you can pat it with your beauty blender. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup series. I had a lot of fun filming. I am so impressed by these lashes though. Really hope you enjoyed this series. Let me know if you want me to do any more of these series or for me to go more in depth with anything. I would love to make some more videos for you guys and learn more about makeup. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want, or not. Up to you. It just sometimes works and notifies you when I have new videos out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you helping me support my channel. And subscribe too if you haven't already. Like this video, watch my other videos, learn about makeup and beauty and all that good stuff. And let me know in the comments down below maybe some tips and tricks that you have tried or some things that you used for my videos. Also, if you have any video suggestions, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!